weed like a siren, louder than a siren. Feel like Miley Cyrus, she feel like Miley Cyrus. Girl, you need a stylist. Bitch, you need a stylist. Bitch, you need a stylist. Bitch, let me style it. 20, I be wildin'. 20 on my face, 20 on my waist. 20 got good taste.
Hey YouTube, what's up? This is Mahogany G. I decided to do my 3-day outfit haul for when I was at Really Loud. So I'm just gonna do or recreate all 3 days of my outfits. Alright, for day number 1, I wore a Chinese traditional jacket. You can see how it is. And it has gold trimming. It is a reversible jacket that I can flip it inside out. So if you've seen it before on me, then you understand that I've had this flipped out for my second year, and I love it. It's just really amazing. I really couldn't find my tights that I wore, so I just threw on these. Ended up wearing it with these shoes. As you can see, these shoes are kind of dirty from the last wear that I have not yet cleaned these because I have to go and buy myself the cleaner. I have a golden do-rag. Really just amazing. You guys too crazy with it, but I definitely want it to be a little bit stylish and a little bit different than the rest of y'all girls who's out here wearing basic things. Me, I can never be a basic girl, only on regular days. After that, if it's a special event, then I can never be basic. But that was my first outfit of the day, and let's go get into the second day of Roll Out. Hey guys, so this is the second day look. Now day number 2, you guys can see that I went a little bit more detailed with this look. Of course, I continued with the golden do-rag on top of my head, but I just decided to do a little bit more artsy look, and the artsy look is this Venus outfit right here. Is Venus to top. It's kind of cool because it's not just a style, you know what I mean? It's just like boom, 3D print. It wasn't just like that. It was more like okay, so I'm going to give you a little bit of 3D print, then I'm gonna give you a little bit of color, then I'm gonna give you a bit of natural blue and sky blue with a bit of orange, and I had orange hair or ginger hair, and it kind of matched with the outfit. The only thing you guys can't really see is the beadings on this, which I will show later, but it definitely has beadings around it. Bought the skirt, and I was like, yo, I need to buy the shirt, and you've seen this in my haul, so I was like, let me be a little bit different this time. With my second look, I wanted to be more elegant, more futuristic artist fashion type thing, not break the internet with this unique look. Next thing I need for y'all to do is like my picture that I posted this on Instagram. If you see me, my Instagram is going to be down below so you guys can see the full outfit of this, and you guys can see that I wore it with these shoes. Let's go a little bit. I wore them with these Future shoes. Some of you guys can see that it is holographic. I decided to wear this with these shoes because they are holographic and they were kind of reminding me of a sky blue. I can't really break down too much of my fashion down in this video because this is just a show video of what I was wearing. But if you guys want to have a fashion breakdown of how I do my fashion and how I just put outfits together, you guys can actually request that below in the comments. If I get enough likes, let's get this to 500 likes and I will break down how I style myself. But I wore these with long socks, and I wore these with the Futures, and no pun on future, but I wore these with Futures. These are the Jordan Futures. Anyways, for day 3, I decided to make it a nice chill day. You know what I mean? My juice. But you already know, came back with the golden do-rag like a staple. I wore these again with white socks. My mistake. I should have worn black socks because it was raining, it was muddy, and look what they did to my shoes. I mean, it's pretty easy because it's like black. Good thing I didn't wear my whites, because if I wore my whites, I'd be heartbroken. But then I would know that I would have to use a cleaner. But yeah, like I said, I wore those Air Max shoes, and then I have worn this right here. See, it's wrinkled, and then it's not. It's wrinkled, then it's not. You know what I'm saying? So I had to go out with another staple, which is, for me, is a dress. But it's a t-shirt dress. It's a dress, shirt dress, like something like that. So with these long sleeves, and this under actually detaches. It doesn't detach, but it's like it's sewed around the neckline. As you can see, near the neckline there is beads, and it's like beaded fake pearls around here. I thought it was just like really amazing. Like I said, I buy these things. Where I buy them, I tell people where I buy them from. I buy them from Taobao. Now, I will do a video on how to shop Taobao, on, you know, how to get certain things to where I had styled this. You can see long sleeve white, you know what I'm saying? I don't know whose statue this is, but I'm guessing Holy Mary. You guys can see it's with a polyester material. Definitely lightweight. It's not too heavy. Definitely not too heavy for the sun. It's, you know, comes down to like my knees, I guess. You can say like my knees. Yeah, and then the back just has a nice staple, which is all black in the back, and it only has the signature picture in the front, which I think is just classy, just super classy, because you don't want it to be paste in the back and the front, and there's just like, ugh, you know what I'm saying? So it looks really amazing. It's a nice little thing you want to go to, especially if you're trying to be a little bit different from the rest of the crowd. Like I said, this is day look 3, and I got a few compliments on this too. So that was the end of the video. I want to say thank you for watching me, and like I said before, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to your friends. You're my friend now, so subscribe to me and tell me no. Tell me no. Tell me if you guys liked it. I have a few more looks that are coming because Taobao is having another big sale. It's called 618, and you guys get ready to coupon off your booty, because you know I will. And this is not a sponsored video, because like, let me tell you, when sales come around Taobao, that's the best time to shop, like shopping spree, because everything really goes on sale. So it's like, you know, it's like Black Friday, but for Taobao. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to check out my other videos, check out my Roll Aloud vlog, check out my How to Survive Roll Aloud. It will be all up here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.
Bitch, you need a stylist. I could be your stylist. I could be your stylist. Bitch, you need a stylist. I could be your stylist. I could be your stylist. Bitch, let me style it. Bitch, let me style it. I could be a stylist. I could be a stylist.